Hey guys, it's been 1 week and a day since I received my 108 baby chicks, and some have died off, but that will typically happen with Cornish cross. I don't know the exact numbers, but I would say probably over 10 have passed away during this last week. And as far as the amount of feed that I've been using, so far I've opened up two 50-pound chick starter bags, and there's still some left on this one, and I'll show you. They're getting their white feathers starting to go well. Then probably the end of next week I'll try to get them out on grass, so that they can just be chomping away and getting more grass and be able to be pasture raised. So yep, they're doing well, and this setup's doing really great as far as the waters go. And I did have to add some heat lamps a little bit, so some of the loss might have been a little bit higher than it should have been, but I was trying to have my birds be a little bit hardier so that I could get them out on grass sooner, but I'm still going to be about two weeks before I put them out on grass. So here's just an update. Hope you enjoyed.